my man. Take the spot.
Luchani okumuntu balaleli bekhaya nabantu ababukelela amavideo abasupport umvubo YouTube yakhe. Ngebizo ngiyikunza bokwazana. Ngenza umvumo wesikhethu. Hip hop, afro soul, ngathi ukuthi ngama-genre nyana we-hip hop amaningi, piano khona, kodwa nangiraga ngesikhethu.
Okay. Mawuthi uyiraga ngesikhethu, which means there is a key way that we should look at, which means he's a Ndebele man. They are from the Ndebele culture, man, and which is great. Imagine just like a rainbow. Look at those colors; they mean a lot, man. Green, red, blood. Shout out to isiNdebele and all that. What made you, what gave you courage to become an artist and represent your culture as umNdebele?
Into le yomvumo isithome ngiyomvumo into ethome esikoleni nabangani nokumamela umvumo lokuthi ngithola ukumamela umvumo isikhathi eside bese into yomvumo ukuthi ngikuthathe mina ngufake ehliziyweni ngiwuvume uhlole ngime empopweni ngithi ngiyawuvuma nje into leyo yenziwa into engiyithole ekhaya isupport nende ngizibonako nabayenza iminyanya le isikhethu le umvumo wesikhethu nangomamela uculako abogogo noThembi Joriyo Nempororo
ngiyabona bogogo Dr. Nothembi
ubelethwa ngutatila mma undex lebizo unjabulo naye ngumuntu ongithuthukisile ukuthi onginspireile ongenze ukuthi ngithande into yesikhethu le yomvumo le
hayi ngithokoze